What if I told you that you can take two super clean protein sources along with some healthy fat and some nutrient rich leafy greens and make the most phenomenal tuna salad? Well, you absolutely can. And today I am going to show you how. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen where I am showing you one recipe at a time that eating healthy does, in fact, taste good. And today we are going to make a super clean tuna salad with no mayo. Now, I'll be the first one to confess I love a tuna salad with mayo, and it has its place in my life and it will remain in my life. But there are some alternatives, such as the recipe that I am going to show you today, you guys. We've got some tuna, we've got some chickpeas. That combination of tuna chickpeas, right? So absolutely phenomenal. I've got some sun-dried tomatoes, again, these leafy greens, some scallions, and some olive oil. So you guys, let's not waste any time. Come in close and let's put this phenomenal tuna salad together. All right, everyone, let's start with cutting up, or chopping up, I should say, some scallions. And of course, all the ingredients and measurements can be found in my description. Add what you need to the tuna that has already been drained and flaked. And let's chop some sun-dried tomatoes. And add this to our mixing bowl. Add in our chickpeas, some olive oil, and combine. Time to taste for salt and pepper. This is ready to serve. Be sure to stay tuned to the end for a useful tip. And of course, if you like red onions, as I do, then just slice a few slivers and put that on top. This is the ultimate example of eating healthy made easy and delicious. I tell you, you guys, this is not your traditional tuna salad, but the simplicity of it all. You get to taste each and every one of these ingredients, and they blend so beautifully together. Give it a try. You will not be disappointed that you did. And if you are interested in making other alternative versions of the foods that you love, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. And this is a meal prep dream. I tell you, those of us that have crazy, busy, hectic schedules and we fail to eat properly each and every day, there's no excuse when you put together something like this in a matter of minutes, you guys. You have got yourself a nutrient rich, high protein, energy enhancing meal that will get you through each and every day. So if you did in fact enjoy this recipe, please remember to give it a like, give it a share. Please do subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special and enjoy. Amazing. Hi, guys. When you get your spinach home or from the grocery store, make sure you clean it. What you need to do is get a big bowl and put in whatever you need, but the ratio is 1 cup to 1.5 tablespoons of 5% white distilled vinegar. Stir that around, put your leafy greens in there, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then you are going to rinse it with cool water, dry it thoroughly, and then you are going to store your spinach in an airtight container. That way, you are ensured that you are eating clean spinach and it will last longer in the fridge.